I'm standing here on the front porch of my safari tent. This is the last full day in camp while we finish up this particular trip in Botswana. And I got to tell you, it's been such a wonderful experience being here in the bush. We've really seen it all. I mean, you take the gamut of animals that you might see when you come to Southern Africa, and we've had experiences with most of those animals, and experiences not just being able to see them, like from a distance, but world class photographic experiences. And it's always that way when we come. I mean, at some point, I believe there's a certain amount of luck that we all bring to bear when we come do these trips. Like right now, behind me here in camp, there's a water hole in camp, and there's some kudu back there, and there's been some warthogs and zebras coming in. I mean, every bit of this trip that we do, there's always an opportunity to take great pictures. I mean, if you want to relax in camp during the middle of the day, during siesta time that they give us in between the safaris, you can still stay here and take pictures. But give you an example, this trip started, gosh, I can't remember how many days ago, several days ago, almost 2 weeks ago. We were in Victoria Falls, visited one of the seven wonders of the world. It's just remarkable waterfall. It's so big, so much water goes over that thing. And so that first trip took us into Zimbabwe. And so from Zimbabwe, just to add another country to our list, we went across the border, walked over to Zambia, just to add another country to our list. We started in South Africa, flew up to Zimbabwe, Victoria Falls, went to Victoria Falls, Zambia, and then we came back to Botswana, country number 4, by the way, of this trip. Went to Botswana, and in Botswana, we did an excursion on the Chobe River, or more than one excursion, but we spent the first 4 nights on the Chobe River. And there we did a variety of excursions, from going up and down the river in boats that are specially mounted with gimbals, so you got a support for your camera. And then we did a couple of typical driving safaris that in that part. But gosh, on that trip, of course, saw lions, lots of elephants. Elephants just being elephants. Elephants are such magical creatures. They're just incredible to see. We photograph elephants swim in the river like they do every single day. Predictably, they'll swim across the river every day. It's cool to see the big ones swimming, and the little ones who can't swim as well, they'll snorkel across with their trunks sticking out of the water, and that's all you see. And it always makes for some great photo opportunities. We saw a lot of hippos, got a lot of good hippo actions, and then just the sunsets. If you've never been to Southern Africa before, the sunrises and the sunsets are absolutely breathtaking. We got a lot of really nice silhouette shots of elephants and hippos in the evening, and just really a good all-around trip. Well, then we changed course and changed pace of the trip, and we left the busyness and the speed of the river, and then we moved to the Okavango Delta to our next camp. And in that camp, life slows down just a little bit, but the animal sightings absolutely do not. We had world-class sightings of leopards on almost every single day. We saw the big dark maned lions of the Okavango, and just a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful sight to behold. We saw the one thing that people really dismiss when you're talking about coming to Africa is the bird life that's here. If you like birds, and I like birds, and we'll photograph all of them. We document all the things that we see on these trips. Just even though we didn't photograph hundreds of species of birds, we photographed dozens and dozens of species of birds. But there's bird life everywhere, and you can get great pictures of the birds, and just really the magical setting. A bird perched right outside the safari vehicle, just feet away. You're able to focus on it, get that really soft background, get it in really good light. Because the people that I deal with, they all know photography too. Our professional guides that take us out to find the animals, so they know how to position everything to really get us in the best situation to get the pictures you want. And so we spent a few days in the Okavango Delta, again, world-class sightings there, and then we moved over to our last camp in the Kalahari Desert, where I'm presently talking to you from right now. In the Kalahari Desert, cheetahs, again, more lions. We haven't seen leopards yet, but we're kind of spoiled on leopards. I mean, those sightings we had the other day, I don't know that you can get much better. You'll see the pictures in the trip report, as well as at the end of this video. I'll show you some pictures, but we just added to the variety of animals. I don't know what the count's up to now. I think we're probably way more than 100 species that we've taken really good photos of. But here we do the typical safari drives, and we also do some sets and some bunkers that are overlooking water holes where the animals come to you, and you're able to photograph them from feet apart. Bird life, ostriches, Kori bustards, which is the national bird of Botswana, vultures. Again, saw some cheetahs this morning. Saw some other surprise animals that we were able to see as well that we weren't expecting to see. Just really, just the gamut. I mean, if you like photography and you like nature and you like wildlife, there may not be a better place to go. When I first came to Botswana in I think it was 2001, I told myself, if I can figure out a way to come here every single year, that'll make me a happy man. And luckily, for the past what was 26 now, 5 years, I guess, except with the exception of 1 year, for the past 5 years, I've been able to come back to Botswana and enjoy the people here. And we talk about all the wildlife experiences and how good the wildlife experiences are here. And again, they're beyond reproach. You can go to other countries and see this, but I think the one thing that really makes Botswana stand out in my mind, and it's a big thing, and that's just the people here and the hospitality here. I mean, you can, of course, we're guests and we're clients, and there's some expectation of hospitality, but when you come here, and like I do a lot, and you get to know the people that we deal with, and they know and love and respect me, and I know and love and respect them, there's this mutually beneficial relationship that takes place where they take care of me, I take care of them, they take care of our guests in a way that you really can't get anywhere else. It's hard to explain. Again, it's beyond reproach how well we're treated. So really, to me, that's the bonus of coming somewhere like Botswana. Is not the wildlife is going to be good. It's going to be good just about wherever you go. And if you go with really good qualified hosts, you're going to see wildlife. But really, what makes it special for me are the people here. I feel like Botswana, in a lot of ways, is my second home. I've learned to speak the language. I speak it with a Texas accent, but I learned to speak it nonetheless. But it's always a lot of fun. And I hope you'll join me one day on this trip. It's an absolute fantastic trip. If you want more information, just feel free to send me an email. I'll tell you all the different options I have to come to Botswana. And I look forward to coming a lot in the future. And as they say in Setswana, Salasente, which means goodbye. Take care. Thanks.